Hey, real quick, you want to tell everybody what we're doing?
No.
We're going to do some RCing. So come hang out with us for a little bit. We're not too far from our house. We're just going to head out, hit some gravel, hit some dirt, maybe some hills, do some jumps, whatever. Hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully it's not too windy. So come along with us. Good? It's dead?
Access denied.
Well, apparently Jack's RC is dead. And I'm pretty sure we just charged him the other day. So we're going to put this on hold. We're going to go charge and we'll be right back. If this clip even makes it into the vlog, video, whatever. Alright. Well, we went and charged the batteries and we are back. And we're going to try it again. I think the batteries might be shot, unfortunately. So, got the GoPro, was hoping to get some good footage. But, you know, you always run into something, it seems like. So, okay.
Last time when it was, I think, Christmas, like when it was snowy out, we had,
Okay,
it was working.
let's give it a shot. Let's go hit these hills. Here, before we wear the battery out, drive it up here. Drive it right here. So we got this, right?
Oh. Now I know what we're doing, putting the camera on.
Boom, baby. Okay, we're recording.
There you go.
Oh, the camera, bring it back. The camera fell. Bring it back. We're looking at the sky.
Yeah, we don't look at the sky.
Okay, try that. We'll see what kind of footage we get on the GoPro. That'll look cool. I've always wanted to do that, but we just never have for some reason. Oh yeah, here he comes. Oh. Nice fall day. Technically it's still summer, I guess, but most people would say fall, being it's September 23rd, I believe. So hope you're having an awesome day. We are. We went and had soccer this morning. Got that out of the way, and now we're just playing. Our favorite thing to do. I can see myself.
I'm gonna try to see it out going backwards. See if I should go through the door.
You're stuck.
There you go.
Battery's dying again. Those batteries are junk. I don't know what it is about that style of battery. It's like if you leave it charged, or if you leave it with a charge or without a charge for too long, they just die. It doesn't hold a charge. Now let's pick it up.
Wait, I want to see.
That's a bummer.
Oh.
That is a bummer.
Dad, now I have to use yours. You snatched my head off.
Huh?
You probably almost snatched my head off. Can I try?
Totally just rolled it over.
Can I try?
All right, let me see you jump it. Okay, something doesn't sound right. Come here. Something doesn't sound right. Something going on. Either a stripped gear, possibly in here. Maybe something in the differential. I'm not quite sure. But what we do know is we're done RCing for today. Hey guys, we are back. We never really finished the video yesterday because I don't know how well you can see that. I thought it was this gear. Ended up taking it apart, looking at it a little bit. Everything seemed to be fine. So I'm going to finish putting that together and we're just going to go in the backyard and do a little bit of driving. Yeah, buddy. Let's go down this way. Okay, I'm just kidding. Boom! Nailed it!
Hey!
Alright.
I got a perfect idea! Dad, put that whiteboard on there, we're gonna make a joke.
I don't know if that'll work, buddy.
It will.
You think so?
Yeah, I think, yeah. So, perfectly lined up. Now just back it up.
Oh!
I told you it was gonna work.
Wow, good job, buddy.
Whoa! Do it again. Here it goes.
Got the perfect seat right. Hey, here's one of our targets from our other video.
Hey, yeah, we lifted up.
Yeah.
We gotta.
All right, buddy, get her lined up there. Jeez Louise.
Now it's my turn to drive down.
Peace.
My turn to drive down. Oh, what is that? Stop that!
Whoa, that was close. Wow. She's all dusty now.
Yeah.
Hey, we left you all the way down here. Why don't you come up here with us? Wyatt's right behind me. I'm chasing Wyatt with the truck. Hey, you want to wrap up our video? You want to say bye? You want to say anything?
Thanks for watching our video and give us 1,000 subscribers.
Whoa, there you go. You heard it from the man himself. 1,000 subscribers, piece of cake, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, we always appreciate comments and any feedback. So if you did, drop us a comment. Let us know you enjoyed it. We like driving the RCs. Sometimes they're more trouble than they're worth, I think. But they're really a ton of fun. So if you got kids or if you enjoy them yourself, you know, a couple $100 you can have RC. You know, it's quite a bit of fun. So anyways, we will see you guys again very soon. I'm trying to stay on the frequent, you know, whatever. Guys, literally the mold trap just went off. Dude, the mold trap just went up. As I was talking, I heard the clink of the mole trap.
How?
I think we just caught a mole, buddy. Should we pull it up and see?
Yeah.
All right. We got him.
Let's go get Jack.
No, that's okay. We'll get rid of him.
Okay.
Poor fella. I'm sorry we had to do that, but you're tearing up my yard.
I know that.
Hey, we just caught the mole as I was doing the video.
Yeah.
The trap went off.
Come here.
We caught the mole.
Dad, hold it. Wait, did the trap go off?
As I was doing the video, the trap went bink and popped up.
But were you facing it?
No, I just heard it and we just came over.
Yeah.
You want to say anything? We're doing the outro. You want to say bye or anything?
Bye, Cookies!
All right, guys, we're going to wrap it up. We will see you again very soon. Thanks so much for coming back for another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you keep coming back. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you again real soon.